So hello everyone. Well, if you don't know by now, today you have Robinhood, Reddit, and Citadel in a court proceeding that started around 12 noon today Eastern time. And they went through some hours of grueling questioning from individuals who are wondering why there was a halt on retail investors investing in more of the GameStop, AMC, and other stocks in Robinhood, and how they are connected to Citadel. Hello everyone. Well, if you don't know by now, today you have Robinhood, Reddit, Citadel, and that started around 12 days. And they some hours of questioning from individuals who are wondering why there was a halt on retail investors investing in more of these and other stocks. I go by One Chief Compadre, and you're watching Chief Compadre TV, where on my channel we talk about investing, saving, politics, and even story time. So let me just go ahead and give you the rundown of what's transpiring last couple of hours ago. And after I do, I'm going to need you to put down some comments and tell me, what do you think will happen due to this hearing? Do you think that there will be more regulations? Do you think that Robinhood will be facing some form of lawsuit, even though they are? I believe they have 90 lawsuits in the making right now. But what's going on is that, if I'm not mistaken, I was reading an article yesterday, and they said that those individuals who sign up to Robinhood sign off a waiver that doesn't allow them to sue Robinhood in courts, where they have to go through a mediation, where I guess they decide on a resolution. Go ahead and share that document with you, and then after that we can go further with the discussion. Don't forget to crush that like button and become a subscriber, so I can keep you up to date to what's going on with the stock market and these so-called brokers that are a hit and miss nowadays. Can you really trust these new brokers like Robinhood and Revo and all these other ones? It seems like they are taking advantage of these new investors, these retail investors. It's really becoming a hassle. All right, so here we have it. So today they decided to bring in Robinhood, Reddit, and Citadel, and to share their ideas in response to what happened in January, just to share what they experienced and why they did what they did in order to stop traders from buying more of the stock. So watch live. Robinhood, Citadel, and Reddit CEOs testify to the House on GameStop mania. Time. So the U.S. Financial Service Committee GameStop hearing kicks off at 12 p.m. Eastern on Thursday, so that's today. And Robinhood CEO Valet Tevin, Melvin Capital CEO Gabriel Plotkin, Reddit CEO, co-founder Steve Huffman, Citadel CEO Kenneth Griffin, and Keith Gill, also known as Roaring Kitty, will testify to lawmakers about last month's turmoil. In January, an epic short squeeze and GameStop stock shocked Wall Street and drew attention to an emerging class of retail investors on a social media platform. GameStop's share price skyrocketed to $483 per share and subsequently lost 90% of its value. Lawmakers will get a chance to grill the company chiefs about Citadel's relationship with Robinhood and Melvin Capital, why some brokerage restricted trading, and how to protect retail investors, since they're not trying to help out the hedge fund investors, right? They're out for the little man. So we'll see how that turns out. I had an opportunity to sign up to Robinhood when it first came out. But some reason, someone told me to not open an account for Robinhood. Luckily, I had an account already open in E-Trade, which you don't hear too much issues with E-Trade, especially when it comes to investing in something right in the moment, right there in the moment, where if you see a stock that you may like, you can buy those particular stocks right there in real time. Unlike Robinhood, where it may take you a few hours in order for you to actually buy certain stocks or sell certain stocks. So I know there's a process with Robinhood with, I guess, these corporations where they have to go through in order to sell the stock or buy stock. So that's one thing that I can say about E-Trade, is that there's no holdups. If you want to buy something in real time, you can actually buy it right then and there. There's no waiting time. There's no hours, as long as within the time that the market is open. Because after hours, you will have to wait to the next day to buy that stock or sell it. But in the actual open market, when the stock market is open, you can actually buy it and sell it. It doesn't take that long, especially buying something. It doesn't take that long to actually get it. So, yeah, I mean, some told me do not buy or do not sign up to Robinhood and buy stocks, because I was already using E-Trade. So now I'm glad I didn't, because now it seems like Robinhood is having a few issues. You have over 90 people suing the company. You have people who are investors in the company who are upset that they weren't able to buy more of the GameStop, where they were limited to a certain amount. And now you have people talking about they want to leave Robinhood. So there's many things going on with Robinhood right now. And I'm glad that I didn't become an investor in it, because I'll be going through the same issues right now. New investors and retail investors. It's really becoming a hassle and strain on those individuals who are new to the stock market. So what I would tell you is, if you can, maybe stop putting your money in Robinhood and Webull and all these other ones, and try to find you something that's probably more of a legitimate and respected brokerage like E-Trade, Vanguard, Scottrade, of those natures, because it seemed like this company is really starting to show its colors and really sticking it to those new investors who are new to the stock market. And they seem to be the ones who are taking the grunt of everything and not able to prosper. So become a subscriber. Put a comment down. Tell me what you think about this article. Do you think that there will be some changes? Do you think that Robinhood will be held accountable for what they did, being in cahoots with Citadel and these other conspirators, and running up the stock market for GameStop and AMC and all these other companies that that they have very little value, but yet they allow people to get in and buy these stocks and then dump them off to those individuals who buy it at the top instead of at the bottom. Just be mindful. Just be mindful that when you invest in these type of stocks, that you get it at the bottom. Never buy it at the top, because those are the ones who always get hit and lose the most money. So, yeah. Until next time, have a great day.